Often people struggle with what to do with bay windows, so I thought I'd do this short video just to show you how we dress these two with curtains and pelmets. Here you can see the curtain hardware which has been manufactured in the workshop and then delivered directly to the customer ready for installation. This is manufactured in one complete piece, so it makes installation time super quick. These tracks have been made to overlap in the centre of the window. This is especially good for blackout curtains in bedrooms, so you get complete light block from the centre once your curtains meet. Here's a strip of Velcro stapled in place, and it will be used to fix the pelmet fascia once the curtains have been hung in place. Here you can see the curtains hanging underneath the curtain track. This allows them to open and close really smoothly rather than rubbing up against the curtain track when hung in front. Here we have the finished window treatment. I know I'm biased, but I think they look fantastic, and I hope you agree with me too. If you live within 50-mile radius of Manchester and would like a cost for measuring, making and installing a window treatment like this in your home, then get in touch with us today.